Hi, in this lesson, we'll dive into all the resources that are available to you on CodeHS. Let's first look at how we can access these resources. Your go-to spot for information and resources when teaching this course is the All Arduino Resources page, found at codehs.com/Arduino_resources. Here you'll find quick links to all of the items we've created to help you be successful in bringing this course to your students. Another way to access the materials straight from CodeHS is on the Assignments tab. When you click into any module, you'll see a maroon lesson plan icon appear next to each lesson. If you click further into a lesson, you'll see the links to the problem guides for each exercise. Before we get started with our physical computing course, we'll need some physical materials. Let's take a look at how to find those. The materials list for this course is linked on the All Resources page and can also be accessed at codehs.com/Arduino_materials. This page will have an all-encompassing list of materials required to teach this course, complete with amount needed per student or group, any additional details, and a link to an example item for purchase. You'll also note at the very bottom of the list a note with additional links to pre-made kits for purchase. You'll find additional information about materials as you complete the activities in this lesson. Now let's switch gears to look at the lesson plans we have for this course. You can access these lesson plans from the All Resources page, directly from your CodeHS page, or if you'd like a direct link, you can find them at codehs.com/Arduino_lesson_plans. These plans are your one-stop shop for teaching a lesson in this course. Here you'll find any planning notes you should consider before beginning the lesson, a play-by-play of activities in the lesson complete with expected timestamps, links to additional handouts that accompany the lesson, discussion questions to begin and end your lesson, and so much more. Be sure to take a look at the lesson plan before you begin each lesson to feel prepared and comfortable bringing the content to your students. We spoke a bit about the use of explorations in our last lesson, but let's take a deeper look. Explorations are embedded throughout the course as they are student-facing, but there is more that lies beneath the surface. If you visit codehs.com/Arduino_explorations, you'll see that for every student exploration, there is a teacher version as well. This will provide you with sample answers and any notes to help you encourage students as they progress through the content. It is up to you if you'd like students to make virtual copies of the explorations and turn them in digitally, or print them out and have students hand in a hard copy. Whichever option you choose, be sure to take some time at the beginning of the course to show them which method you'd like them to use and any additional expectations you have. Finally, let's take a look at other items that will be very helpful to you as you bring this course to your students. The Arduino language requires quite a bit of syntax, and students will be learning many new commands as they learn to program their devices. Though this documentation can be found in the Docs tab in any exercise in the course, since students are writing programs on Tinkercad, it may be helpful for them to have a physical copy to reference as they work. At codehs.com/Arduino_reference, you'll find a printable reference sheet that you can print, laminate, and give to your students at the beginning of the course to reference anytime they need. We also have 2 documents to help you get set up using the 2 outside platforms we'll use in this course, Tinkercad and the Arduino IDE. We will discuss these in much more detail in the next lesson, but they can be found at codehs.com/Arduino_Tinkercad and codehs.com/Arduino_software. Let's hop into some activities to take a closer look at the resources we discussed.